In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on CapCut PC. If CapCut has started lagging, stuttering, or taking up way too much storage on your computer, clearing the cache is one of the quickest ways to help. Cache files are temporary files that CapCut creates while you edit, and over time they can build up and consume a surprising amount of hard drive space. The good news is that CapCut makes it very easy to remove them. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and go to the main homepage or dashboard. From here, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and look for the settings gear icon. Click that gear icon once and a small drop-down menu will appear just below it. In that menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you into CapCut's main preferences area, where you can manage storage-related options. Once the settings window opens in the center of your screen, take a moment to make sure you're on the Project tab. This is the first tab across the top, and it contains the storage and project-related settings we need. After that, look toward the middle section of the window until you find the line labeled Cache Size. This area is important because it shows you exactly how much space your temporary CapCut files are currently using on your hard drive. If you've been editing often, exporting multiple versions, or working with larger projects, that number may be much higher than expected. Reviewing this section gives you a quick idea of how much storage you can free up. Next, move to the right side of the cache size line and click the small trash bin icon. As soon as you do that, CapCut will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to clear the cache. This is just a safety check, so if you're ready to continue, click the blue OK button. After you confirm, CapCut will immediately begin deleting those temporary cache files. This process removes unnecessary render data that the app no longer needs, which can help free up disk space and improve overall performance. In many cases, this can also make timeline playback feel smoother, especially if the cache had grown very large. And that's it. You've gone from the top right settings gear into the project tab, checked the cache size value, and used the trash bin icon to clear those temporary files. It only takes a few seconds, and it's a simple bit of maintenance that can keep CapCut running more smoothly on your PC. You're all set.